Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2022 Ford Ranger XLT Sport, stock reference number 5488. This shape runs from the 5th month 2022 and is the current shape. It has a V6 3-litre turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-drive transmission. 3-litre V6 turbo diesel engine. We have the radiator grille, right hand LED headlight, ARB bull bar with spotlights and a Bushranger winch, all fittings provided. Right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Front has 2 small dents. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left hand tail light, tidy rear bumper bar. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and module. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right hand tail light. Sports bar with all fittings. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right guard has no damage, and a right power door mirror. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, sat nav display screen, interior mirror, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.